Now that we've covered Injective's architecture and token design, let's turn to one of its most important applications, tokenization. Tokenization is transforming how assets are created, traded, and owned, and Injective is leading the way in bringing this shift on-chain. What is tokenization? At its core, it's the process of converting rights or ownership of real-world assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. This unlocks new ways to issue, manage, and trade assets, all with greater transparency, programmability, and global accessibility. And the range of assets that can be tokenized is virtually unlimited. Stocks, bonds, real estate, intellectual property, fiat currency, all these can be represented as a digital token on Injective. Tokenized RWAs are designed to make it easier to transfer, trade, and manage these assets in a secure and transparent way. This is a foundational shift, moving asset ownership and market access onto programmable global rails. The scale of the opportunity here is hard to overstate. As shown in the chart on the right, some of the world's largest institutions, Citi, BCG, Standard Chartered, project the tokenized asset market to reach anywhere from a few trillion to over $30 trillion. Tokenization is already the fastest growing sector in crypto, and the broader industry is outpacing even the early internet in adoption. What's driving that growth is simple: global demand for compliant RWAs and the clear benefits of operating on blockchain rails, like 24/7 trading, no middlemen, and significantly more efficient capital utilization. It also delivers what legacy markets struggle with: greater transparency, security, and accessibility. So why is Injective the ideal chain for tokenization? It starts with focus. Injective is the only layer 1 blockchain purpose-built for financial tokenization. Every layer of the stack is optimized for real-world assets and institutional use. Its architecture is regulatory first, with native compliance and permissioning features built in from the start. The environment is tailor-made, combining institutional-grade liquidity with modular, built-in financial infrastructure. And from a performance standpoint, Injective delivers commercial-grade scalability, over 25,000 transactions per second, sub-second latency, and extremely low fees. Add to that 7 years of live development, a fully circulating supply, and a flawless track record, and you have a chain that's truly built to last. Injective offers a comprehensive tokenization suite designed from the ground up for institutional use. At the center is the RWA module, which enables institutions to tokenize and manage assets with a high degree of customization. Compliance is built in through a permission token standard that supports on-chain allow lists and regulatory controls. The suite also includes dual liquidity support, allowing assets to operate within both permissioned and private networks, depending on the institution's needs. Once deployed, these tokens can immediately interact with external and proprietary platforms, unlocking utility from day one. Interoperability is native, with all these modules designed to plug into Injective's broader ecosystem. And for sensitive deployments, institutions can enable advanced privacy features while maintaining regulatory standards. That's the end of this section. Please proceed on to the next section where we cover Injective's tokenization process in more greater detail and depth.